Behind me is our new Delkor HSP. It's a high-speed, end-of-line packaging system that we installed with our GEA line to meet our new demands for automation and new pack formats that we're working on.
It's run and it's run. And we run it 3 shifts, doing everything we expected it to do. What else can you ask for? When I would talk to my friends, my colleagues in the candy industry about our challenge and our goals, it was, you got to get to Delkor. You got to see Delkor. It was exactly what we wanted. They delivered on time, complete. It was seamless.
We've had the Delkor line up and running for a little over a year now, and Delkor really made it easy for us because they were able to deliver an integrated solution that picked up from the bagger and then delivered our end case end to end. This was really important for us because we had a lot of different pack formats, we had a lot of moving pieces, and we really needed somebody who could do it all, wrap it all up in one piece and hand it over to us. We were looking to meet the speed of a GEA TwinTube bagger, and the Delkor was a great solution for us because we were able to run at 340 pouches per minute on the Delkor HSP. We really needed a solution that was going to be able to manage a lot of different pack formats to give us a lot of flexibility for our customers while also managing the high speeds.
We like to work with the leaders in the industry. With Delkor, we absolutely landed on that. We have continuous ongoing support, training, as we add new pack sizes, the flexibility, the capabilities of being able to accommodate different bag weighments, different case packs, great stuff. We've been running this machine a year and a half. Couldn't be happier with it. It's serving our need with all the shelf-ready applications in today's world. In fact, I mean, we're super excited about ordering our second line here pretty quick. So,
if you're experiencing similar challenges with your robotic case packing system, or you're simply looking to get started in robotic case packing, give us a call or visit us online at delkorsystems.com to learn more.